What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you another money making tip that can help you make some extra cash. So if you're on my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Make sure you watch the video until the end, and if this is the kind of content you're into, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. You like my videos, you can also check my channel, then watch other videos that I have uploaded previously. And again, for my returning subscriber, thank you so much for keeping it here. So let's go, guys. So the name of the app that I'm about to share with you is Ysense. See on my screen right here, the name of the website is Ysense, and Ysense is available worldwide, whether you're from USA, Canada, Africa, like any part of the world. So you need just email address for you to register. Registration steps are so simple that I don't need even to take you through. But if you want to learn how, then watch my video on how to create a Ysense account. I've uploaded about it before, so you can watch the video if you check on my previous videos. So it's so simple, by the way. You don't need many things. You just need email address. You need your name, first name, then last name. Then again, you'll need to set up your username. You can put your first name or last name with some digits to make it unique, and again, you will have to set your own password. So those are the requirements that you have to have, or you have to use while creating account on this website known as Ysense. I know some of you have heard of this, have heard of this website before. It is not new website. It has been there for some years, and for myself, I can confidently say that I have withdrawn from this site 2 times, and it is 100% legit. They have different ways of withdrawing your earnings or your rewards from it. So maybe at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the rewards, like the methods that you can withdraw your earnings. And remember, I said joining this site or website is free, and it is available worldwide. It doesn't matter whether you're from Nigeria, Kenya, or USA. Anybody can create an account, so long as you're not using VPN. So we have different methods of earning, guys. We have different methods of earning, as you can see on my screen. We have different ways. We have games, we have deals, we have different ways that you can earn. And also we have different offers. We have different things, and again, you can also share with your friends. You can earn as an affiliate by sharing your link with your friends, and it's free. So if you have a friend who wants to make money online or wants to learn how to make money online, then this video you can share it with your friend and tell a friend to tell a friend. And guys, make sure you subscribe from on my channel. Like, make sure you subscribe, you like the video for more tutorials like this. So you can see, I'm going to show you my own account. Yeah, so you just need to have one account with one email or Google account. You have to have one. If they realize that you've created two, then they'll consider them as spams, and like you'll be spamming their site, so they'll block you. So guys, you can see the first option here, play and earn. So we have different ways of earning. You can play different games. They will pay you according to the payment levels. You can see they have, this one is paying $77, this one is paying $32, this one is paying $5. So why play games that cannot pay you, while there are other games or there are sites that can pay you for just playing games they have on their site? So like this one, if you just play this game, you follow the instructions. For example, let me just open it and see what is required or what needs to be done. Okay, application error. I don't know whether it's network or what. Let's go back to the main and see. Maybe try this one, which pays $5. I don't know why. They are telling me application error, client side expression as occurred. See the browser console for more information. Yeah, I think so guys, if you first sorry. So guys, let me try now. Like now, let me open this one, earn up to $5.8 when you installed and play the game. I don't know, but the other time I think it's that game site. I don't know. I guess so. But you can see right here, this one has opened, like slots, you play slots. Like this one is Slot Rush, Android only. So they'll tell you specific devices that you can play these videos, these games on. So you can see get now. So for you, you'll need a link to sign up. I'm going to leave the link on the description of the app. I mean, not the app, but the video. Oh, shit. Guys, I'm sorry. I don't know why. It's because I don't know. I don't know why I'm, don't mind me. Okay, so let's get back to business. So guys, what I was trying to say is that for you, because if this is the first time you are creating, you've created an account, or you've never created an account before, make sure you go to the description of the video. I'm going to drop the link there. Tap on that link, then it will direct you to signing up page. You just need to sign up and go to the dashboard where you'll see different games, different things that you can do. So for this game, they have given you instruction. You can see their description over there, and if you finish the game the way they want you to do it, they will reward you that $8. So all games have their different type, like different payments. You can see important things to know: must reach level 40 within 20 days to earn, must be installing the app for the first time, reward will depend for 14 days, award will depend for 14 days, then you must complete goals within 20 days of installing to receive 800 cents. So you'll be tracking your progress right here, guys. You'll be tracking your progress right here. So guys, it's simple as that, like as simple as that. You just play games, then you get your payment, so long as you do what they want you to do. So if you want to see more, you view more here. If you want to see more, we have many games that you can play. We have different games that you can play. Yeah, so let me log into my account, then show you my right now balance so that you can know the app is real and it's paying. And another way is doing surveys. Guys, you can also do surveys by answering questions from different companies. Then some will pay you $10, some will pay you $5, some will pay you $1, some will pay you 50 cents. So it will depend with the country you're from. If you're from from US, Canada, or even maybe China, they'll pay you more. So let's see. So guys, you can see this is my account. These are other ways of making money on this site. If you tap on these three lines on your left at the top, you'll see surveys, offers, play, affiliates, cash out. So cash out is where you'll be able to cash your earnings. Then we have forum. Forum is where you the members are, maybe they have problems, they chat. Or so you see my earnings right here. So this is what I have for now. This is what I have for now. So if I want to withdraw my earnings, I will just come here and tap on cash out. You can see cash out is right there. So the minimal amount you are supposed to redeem from this site is $5. That is the minimal amount you can withdraw from this site, $5. You can see we have different offers where you can redeem your rewards or your payments or your earnings. So like here from Skrill, if you are using Skrill and you want to use Skrill to withdraw your money, you can use this option. You just tap on it, then it will tell you, or show you where you're supposed to fill in your details, withdrawal details. You can use Zalando, you can use Amazon, you can use Airtime, you can use Pioneer, you can use PayPal. Though PayPal US dollar, you'll have to have $10. You can use Amazon, you can use Apple Switzerland, you can use PayPal Euro. So you can also withdraw as Euro. Then again, you can use reward link, that is it's for Italians. So we have different payment methods so that you can use to withdraw your earnings. So guys, that is what I wanted to share in this video, and I hope it is helpful. If you watch this video until the end, thank you so much guys. If you haven't subscribed until this point, kindly subscribe, like the video. You can share with your friend and tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video.